The moment I stopped waiting and realized that I'm responsible for the goals that I want to achieve, I'm responsible literally for my life, everything shifted. So basically, what I'm trying to say is that no one is coming to save you. You are the only one responsible for your life at the end of the day. Like, no one is going to pull you out of bed to force you to chase your dream. No one is going to force you to do the things that you said you wanted to do. No one is going to force you to study. No one is going to force you to do what you said you are going to do, because at the end of the day, no one is coming to save you. So in this video, I'm going to talk about 3 steps that you can take. They can literally help you take charge of your life. Hi everyone, I am Elizabeth Joyce. So step 1 is to choose to decide now. Basically, you may be having a lot of goals that you want to achieve, a lot of things that you want to achieve, but then at this point, you basically just have to choose one thing that it is that you're going to put your focus on. If you have a lot of things, I recommend you to write them down. Just write a list of things that you want to do, and just for now, focus on that one thing that it is that you want to do. You don't have to, it doesn't have to be a huge goal that you're focusing on. It can be something like taking 10,000 steps a day, or learning a skill that might be beneficial for you, something like that. But then the point here is that you just have to choose one thing that you want to do and focus on it. So the second step is starting small. You don't have to overwhelm yourself, because that's the main reason why you don't have the motive to decide to start working on whatever it is that you want to accomplish, because your brain is telling you that, oh my goodness, this is a big goal that you are not able to achieve and it is impossible to achieve. So instead, that big goal that you want to achieve, divide it into smaller sub goals that will be easier to achieve, instead of focusing on that big goal that is like that feels impossible to achieve. It also make it easier for you to have that momentum to achieve your goals when they are literally like divided into sub goals. For instance, let's say you want to be fit, but at this point you cannot afford a gym membership. The easy steps to do is to start doing workouts at home. There are people online that can show you how to do exercises at home with or without equipment, which is the simplest way to start with your fitness goals. And the third step is to be consistent. It's simple to say but difficult to execute. Being consistent, consistency is the only way that you will see progress and achieve your goals. And obviously, by this, I don't mean that every day you should be like 100% locked in. No, because there will be days where you don't feel 100%, but it doesn't matter how long it takes. But the fact is, every day you are showing up for yourself, which is a great thing, which also shows that you are consistent with what it is that you want to accomplish. As long as you are consistent and you are putting in the work, it will show progress. The progress will determine the outcome. Because at the end of the day, if you put in action and you are showing up every day, definitely you're going to see the transformation, because that is progress. You are progressing each and every day. Even if it is slow progress, you are progressing each and every day, each and every day. So at the end of the day, with being consistent, you will see progress, and definitely you are going to achieve your goals. So we've reached the end of this video. I hope you guys liked this video and can relate with any of the steps that I've mentioned in this video. I hope you guys will take charge of your life, because that's the best thing. We should keep each other accountable, achieve those goals that we always want to achieve. See you in the next video. Bye.